Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals NSF, and this is a video tour of 350 Alabama Street. This is unit number 8. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the Mission District of San Francisco, and here we are with surrounding neighborhoods of the Mission District, Mission Dolores, Design District, and Potrero Hill. All right, and we're very close to Gus's Community Market, just steps away from a small grocery store. There's also a Safeway in the area. And if you need to get to the BART station, we're 12 minutes walk away from all that goodness around there. And look at all the wonderful food, Farmhouse Kitchen, Flour and Water, Atlas Cafe. Lots of food and drink, and very walkable area this is. Very unique property. We're actually looking, we're on the outside on the front street, the condominium. It actually goes around the block. But let's just pan around, take a look at the street here. And this is the large condominium. This is the unit right here. It's actually 3 floors directly ahead of us. And then there is that big gate that actually goes to the private backyard. So it's a very, very unique. And we're going to take a look at it. First of all, we're going to go in the main entrance. And then we're going to come back out and take a look at the yard at the end. You're absolutely going to love it, though. Okay. By the way, there is a driveway that you can block right there. We'll take a look at that a little bit more in detail. Now, there's also 2 included parking spaces that are covered in the garage below. All right, there is a fob entry system and a call box right there. And then your mail and your packages get delivered inside of this lobby area. A little bulletin board with what's happening. So mail and packages, a little bit more packages get put back here. Okay, when you step in, you actually go into a large open air courtyard. And it's really quite nice. There is some seating there for picnics, outdoor living, things like that. "21 units in this building, by the way. Has a nice open, kind of a breezy feel to it. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the unit. The unit's actually right in front of us to the right. It's unit number 8, lucky number 8. All right, when you walk in, you're greeted with this beautiful foyer, really high ceilings, gorgeous hardwood floors. The first bedroom is right here to the left. It's the smallest of all 4 bedrooms. This is 13 feet by 9.4 feet. Overlooks the courtyard, and there are privacy shades that come down. And there's also this glass wall closes, and then there's also a curtain rod for additional light protection to make it darker. Now, it includes this stunning walk-in closet with the Alpha closet system. Carrie Bradshaw, eat your heart out. Yeah, this is an absolutely stunning, if you love to be organized and you have lots of clothes and shoes and jewelry and knickknacks, this is just an absolute dream. Wonderful. I'll just shut these doors here to show you what that looks like. Has a very modern feel to it. Piece of art right there on the wall stays. Looks fabulous. Okay, let's go ahead and step into the bonus room. The previous owners actually used this as a bedroom. It's almost 25 feet by almost 19 feet. Pretty incredible space. It includes, actually, there's 3 closets in this room, and it does include the backyard access, which we'll be taking a look at right now. Okay, this is a private backyard space. There is a gate that goes to the street. This is 24.4 feet by 18.6 feet. pretty private. There's one or two units that can really see into this unit, but nobody's really looking into this unit or into this backyard space. It does include this enormous hot tub. It's in excellent shape. It's recently cleaned. We've got a new filter, new chemicals, and we can provide. And look at that, absolutely just so inviting on cooler San Francisco evenings. All right. So pretty fantastic backyard. You should see this set up with furniture. There is a hose back here, and great for potted plants and outdoor living. Okay, so this is a bedroom or the bonus room. Does include this enormous closet. This, I believe, is the California closet system. There is a full-size washer and dryer on this level. And two additional closets. We'll peek in one right here under the stairs, and there's another one, another kind of bonus one, not a bad size. Okay, let's go ahead and ascend, shall we? This is the main living level. It includes a bedroom, a kitchen, a dining room, and a living room. Two very generous sized skylights give plenty of natural light. Soaring 17-foot ceilings in the living room. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the bedroom first. All right, this includes a large walk-in closet. Right now, it currently has a second refrigerator in it for extra food storage. And just to give you an FYI, most of the windows include this really cool screen system. So you just open the window and you can pull down this screen. And that's for, the apartment gets plenty of great cross ventilation, but in case it's hot and there's any sort of mosquitoes or anything, gnats you want to block out, it's simply pull down the screen. Also good news, blinds are being added to, I believe, all the windows. Okay, this is a really fantastic kitchen. Newer stainless steel appliances, really great fridge, gas range, microwave, dishwasher, and look at this. It has a huge BTU, I think it's 1600 BTU burner right there, perfect for walks. And this really cool oven, and it can go, you can just open part of it, so you don't have to let all the heat out right there. So very cool feature. And of course, dishwasher, Bosch. Solid surface countertops, double stainless steel sink. And I think you can put some bar stools on the other side of this, as well as this dining area right here. And looking back down into the main entrance again. In case it should get cold, I'm told this heater heats things up really quickly, 5 or 10 minutes. And just an enormous, beautiful living room, 15.4 feet by 25.2 feet. All right, another closet with a closet storage system. And a full bath. Excuse me, half bath. This is looking down into the private yard again. This is brand new carpet. Okay, nice closet at the top of the stairs. And we have our final bedroom. This is the third floor bedroom. Could be considered the fourth bedroom, 12.4 feet by 15 point something feet. Nice size, great light, and a full bath. Okay, and see how there's a curb cut right here? So that's an additional parking space that you can utilize on the outside, and I have got two on the inside. Let's go ahead and take a look at. Okay, here is the garage. That's an automatic door opener. We've got two spaces right here. Space number 24 right there. It says compact, but it looks like it'll fit a medium-sized SUV for sure. And there's additional space. This is a very clean, really open feeling garage, which is great. I've got another space back here where this white car is. So just to let you know, I've got 2 spaces in here, both included in the rent. And if you go through these stairs, it's just 1 level up, or you can take the elevator. And by the way, the condo is so nice to provide carts and wheels and dollies and things like that in case you have to transport big items. And here we are back at the main lobby. Okay, that pretty much concludes our tour. I really appreciate you watching. Please check our website for all up-to-date information, new listings, and thank you so much. Best of luck in your home search.